Welcome back to Gorgeous Graphs. In this video, we examine the long-term effects of inflation on an investment with more modest returns and contributions than in the previous examples. The setup begins with an initial investment of $10,000. Each month, an additional $100 is contributed, and the assumed annual return is 5%. The investment is tracked for 40 years under 3 different inflation scenarios: 2%, 4%, and 6%. The red curve represents the lowest inflation rate of 2%, the blue curve corresponds to 4%, and the green curve reflects the most challenging scenario of 6% inflation. As the animation progresses, all 3 curves slope upward, indicating portfolio growth over time. However, the differences between them become more pronounced with each passing year. By the end of the 40 years, the red curve reaches just under $100,000 in today's buying power. The blue curve ends at less than half of that amount, while the green curve barely surpasses $20,000 in real terms. This stark difference highlights how inflation can quietly but powerfully diminish the purchasing power of your investments. It's important to notice that the nominal account balances in such a scenario would appear far higher without adjusting for inflation. But once the erosion of buying power is accounted for, the real-world outcome can be far less impressive. This example shows that when returns are modest, inflation plays an even bigger role in determining how much wealth you actually end up with. Planning for your financial future means looking beyond the surface of growth charts and understanding the inflation-adjusted reality. Let's watch as the animation draws each line and see how the gap between them widens year after year.